this lesson, you'll learn how to read the Wellfleet RX Student Formulary. Understanding this document will help you know how your medications are covered. First, open your formulary document found at www.wellfleetrx.com/students/formularies. There are some schools that have their own individual formulary, so make sure you look at the entirety of this page and select the formulary that is applicable to you. Review the first few pages to get a sense of what's included. As you can see, there are many definitions and explanations included to help you navigate the document. Move down to page 1 of the formulary table. Here you'll see the various classes of medications. And if you know what type of medication you need, you can jump to the appropriate section. However, if you are unsure what class of medication a drug falls into, you can use Ctrl F on your keyboard to find the medication, or navigate to the last section of the formulary document and find the drug name in the index. Then go to the appropriate page where that medication is located. Once you've found your medication on the formulary, take note of the drug tier 1, 2, or 3, which tells you what copay pricing you'll have. Remember to look in your plan document or the Wellfleet RX member portal for your copay amounts. On the formulary, also note anything in the requirements/limits column for the drug. This may include specialty, indicating that the drug is a specialty medication and may have a higher copay. It may also include abbreviations such as QL, PA, or ST. You can learn more about what these mean in the How to Use the Formulary section at the beginning of the formulary document. Now that you understand how to look up your medication on the formulary, explore more educational videos to better understand your health insurance coverage.